Are your emails getting lost in the crowd? You need to engage your audience and drive conversions effectively. Imagine sending emails tailored just for them. With our platform, you customize emails at every level. Build stronger relationships with unique messaging. Connect meaningfully, right message, right person, right time. Leverage contact info, custom fields, and demographics for relevance. Personalize offers based on their purchase behavior and interests. Our geo-targeting helps you connect on a local level. Use visual maps to pinpoint subscribers effectively. Adjust content on the fly, making each email impactful. Dynamic content makes your messages resonate and encourages repeat business. Smart segmentation keeps you organized. Deliver the right tone to the right audience every time. Our advanced automation guides users on their buyer journeys. It's time to eliminate guesswork and rely on data-driven results. Join countless businesses that are seeing success with our email solution. Try Campaigner free for a month and see the difference. Unlock personalized interactions and boost your revenue. Start your free trial today and transform your email marketing.